Hello and welcome to Beyond the Classroom with Bhavna and Dia. Today we have Imad Siddiqui, a stand up comedian. This guy does not just tell jokes, he turns everyday's mishaps into comedic gold. He's been rocking the stage at Dubai Comedy Festival's Comedy Bazaar at Dubai Opera Studio, warming up the crowd with his opening act for Harsh Gujral's show.
ओपनिंग एक्ट फॉर जो बोलता है वही होता है with Harsh Gujral at Zabil Theatre. He also opened an act at Laughathon Unleashed by Vipul Goyal, Akash Gupta, the brand new show, and the list just is endless. So get ready to laugh till your sides hurt because we are about to introduce Imad Siddiqui on Beyond the Classroom. Welcome, Imad.
Thank you so much for having me, guys. Thank you so much, Dia. Thank you so much, Bhavna. You guys believe in me more than I do. Thank you for that.
So we start laughing right now itself.
Yes, we do, yeah. So, Imad, tell us something about yourself. How were you as a child in your school life? Were you the same, hilarious one in school
Oh,
or
God,
a
no.
serious one?
Oh God, no. I was more of an introvert for the longest time.
Oh, is
I was
it?
born and brought up in Dubai, born and raised in
Oh,
Dubai.
okay.
And you know how Dubai life is. 12 baje bus aati hai, 6 baje you come back, and then you do your homework, you play with friends, and you go back. Eat, sleep, school, repeat. Eat, sleep, school, repeat. So I actually went to Bangalore. We all moved to Bangalore
Okay.
in '99.
Okay.
That's when I studied in Bangalore for a couple of years. I did my high school, senior school, college there. That's where I became what I am today. A complete, I would say, not an exactly like a complete extrovert, but almost on the verge of getting,
So it was a
getting there.
360-degree turn in your personality.
Complete.
So what was the difference? I mean, the kids were too, pally, or how? What was it?
So basically, I would say, no offense to the Dubai kids, but it's more like a spoon-fed life here. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. वहाँ पे you live on a budget. तुम उसी ऑटो में जाते हो, उसी ऑटो में वापस
Correct.
आते हो, and sometimes you miss the bus, you miss the school auto, and then you come back in a bus. और कभी-कभी चल के आ जाओ. वो ऑटो के पैसे अगर खत्म हो गए तो वो खाने में चले गए तो फिर चल के आ
Exactly.
जाओ.
You become street smart.
Yes, you got it right. Exactly, street smart, talking to anybody, understanding. मतलब my dad used to always tell me, यार पूछ लेना क्या करेगा वो. कुछ अगर
Exactly.
हो गया तो पूछ ले.
पूछ
What will
ले,
happen?
क्या करेगा,
So
सही बात
that
है.
all that was applied back in Bangalore. That's where I kind of changed. My character changed. I myself changed as a person only in Bangalore. I give it all to India.
Oh,
That's
chalo.
lovely.
That's lovely.
Definitely,
That's
definitely.
lovely.
But then talking about your comedian journey, how did that become? I'm sure there is a story behind it. It doesn't.
So, yeah, obviously everybody has to have a special one. The thing is, I used to watch a lot of stand-up comedy on YouTube, on phone. Hamesha मैं देखता था. Then in Dubai, we never used to actually go for any shows.
Yes.
We didn't even know about shows happening here.
Correct.
So I remember back in 2018, Zakir Khan was in Dubai. Yeah, and we're like, यार जिसका तो बहुत सारे देखा है, जाना जरूरी, जाना बनता है. And we took that most VVIP सामने वाले tickets, जो 50% off में चल रहे थे, by the way.
This
इसीलिए
was when
But वो बहुत
you were what
dangerous.
age?
20 about 6 7 8 years ago, whenever 2017 इतनी मैथ्स में अच्छा होता मैं तो मैं आपको बता देता मेरी एज वो टाइम पे क्या होती. आप यार टेस्ट कर रहे हो, मुझे ये मत करो भैया जी प्लीज यार.
बट वो सीट्स ना बहुत डेंजरस होती है. मैंने देखा है कॉमेडी शोज में जो फ्रंट वाली सीट्स होती है ना.
You get picked up.
Yeah, you get picked up.
Actually this is a myth. ना एक फार्मूला बताता हूँ मैं आपको, ठीक है ना.
Okay.
आप अगर सामने बैठे हो, you think that you'll be picked on. You're watching videos that you see on YouTube and XYZ, जो वो basically उनसे बात कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, and वो interaction होता है. But in a room filled with people, I'd rather talk to somebody who's in the 7th row.
Okay.
Because वो जो बोल रहे हैं उसके आंसर सामने वाले सुने. अगर सामने वाला मेरे से बात कर रहा है, only we are having a one-to-one conversation.
Okay.
अगर मैंने उसके साथ कुछ किया भी, तो it is only very personal between both of us.
Yeah.
लेकिन किसी पीछे वाले को पकड़ा मैंने,
तो वो
तो
आधा हॉल सुनता है.
Exactly.
Bhavna, if you want
This
to
is
get
a
picked
myth.
up, पीछे वाली सीट लेना.
जितना हो
next time.
सके.
नहीं पर मैंने ही देखा है होते हुए. To the few shows that
Oh,
I've
really?
gone, yeah.
Everybody has their own style,
Yes.
actually. Some people want to basically finish their set, not really involve a lot of people, unless they are heckled. Like if you go for a Harsh Gujral show,
अच्छा.
और अगर किसी ने गलती से कुछ बोल दिया उसको, भाई वो तो गया पूरी रात.
अच्छा.
वो गया वो बोलता मैं क्यों पैदा क्यों हुआ मैं, और मैंने अपने दोस्तों से लड़ाई कर करके शो में आया मैं क्यों आया.
क्यों आया?
Exactly, that's what happens. So I used to go for all these shows and all of that stuff. वापस आते थे, my cousins, friends, colleagues would be like, no, you're funny, you should try as well. I said, no, come on. What's wrong with you? I'm funny between you people.
Yeah.
थोड़ी ना सब कोई. So then few years later we started going for all these shows. हमेशा सामने ही बैठते थे हम लोग. As a practice, every time we used to come back home, my wife never used to give me any time. In the sense, she never used to talk to me. Silent treatment. मैं बोला अच्छा खासा तो शो था क्या? He's like तुम भी कर सकते हो ये सब.
So it was a motivation for
I'm
you.
like, but like यार, मतलब you find me funny ना? मतलब as a third person how? They're like नहीं तुम try तो करो. बुढ़े हो जाओगे पता चले कभी कुछ किया ही नहीं लाइफ में. I'm like हाँ ठीक है सोचता हूँ इसके बारे में सोचता हूँ. So then this went on, and my cousins, my siblings, my friends, my wife obviously kept pushing me. I'm like, nah. I have a colleague of mine. She also said that, कि you should start. वो टाइम पे उसने मुझे एक छोटी सी बात बोली कि you know what इमाद, set a goal in your life कि before 31st December तुमको करना है.
तो शायद जल्दी होगा.
भावना and Diya, trust me, गोल का मतलब मुझे उस दिन पता चला
एक
कि इसको
deadline.
गोल
Deadline,
बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
Like wow, ठीक है गोल कर लेंगे फिर. That's when I reached out. That's when I reached out to Nitchat Comedy,
Yeah,
Nitesh
Nitchat
Chaturvedi, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna start.
करते हैं.
He's like, let's do this. Come, ये so and so date है, आ जाओ.
तो
वो
ये
दिन
पहला
है,
show था
वो मेरा
आपका?
पहला दिन, वो पहला शो exactly. वो दिन है और आज का दिन है, alhamdulillah, it's going pretty decent, I would
God's
say,
grace.
alhamdulillah, yeah.
So for all these acts that you do, so how do you pick up content? I'm sure ये इसका एक routine, एक process होगा, because whatever is happening, your experience is turning into jokes or act. So what is the process behind it?
So I have this belief. I'm 30, almost 38 years, 37 and a half years old right now. I was 36 then. Somebody told me, you're 36 right now, you have 36 hours of content in your life. You just have to rewind your life. Go back to school, go back to college, go back to your first girlfriend, go back to your first fight, go back to the first time you stole money from your dad, go back to anything, go back to anything.
So,
Yeah.
relatable incidents.
कितना कुछ. And plus, we're all humans. We all have lived the same life. हमको अतरंगी नहीं होता वरना जादू कहलाते. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's everything else. So then what basically happens is, of something that happened once upon a time. Okay, that was funny. People laughed. You understand what the joke is, and then you revolve a story around it. And that's how sets are basically made. और लोगों को अब तुम पे हंसने में बहुत मजा आता है. कहीं पर भी जाओ, कहीं पर भी जाओ. You would enjoy a show if तुम किसी और पे हंस रहे हो. खुद पे आती तो थोड़ा सा झिझक होती है.
शुरू में, but वो शुरू में होती है.
शुरू में, exactly, yeah, that's
अपनी
true.
आपकी स्टोरी प्रेजेंट करना और लोगों को हंसते देखना.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
it's not
It's an adrenaline rush where you basically, when that laugh that comes
Yes.
once
quite
you get on stage.
mixture of emotions also
Oh,
when
yes,
you are
oh, yes.
because not everything might go rightly as you have
Yeah,
planned.
but that's the
Kabhi-
art of storytelling, right? The
Exactly.
whole- Yeah.
There are a few jokes that we write at home. अरे इस पे तो पागल होने वाले लोग वहाँ पे जाके कर रहे सब फेस स्मॉल फेस. अच्छा चलता है कभी नहीं चलता है. It's okay. We'll move on. So that's how
But
it
ऐसा
goes.
हुआ होगा जैसे आपने जोक्स प्लान किए हैं. Okay, there is a crowd, there is a night, and you know that this audience for sure is going to die of laughter with this kind of a jokes. But you landed where nobody laughed and the room was full silent.
हाँ बहुत बार हुआ है.
तो ये कैसे लिया फिर आपने?
So
This was
it's the different ways of. So for example, क्या होता है ना, once you basically start performing, that stage should become your home. Okay. तुम्हारे घर में कोई तुम्हारी इज्जत निकाला तो it's okay, तुम अपने घर पे हो. You know what I'm saying? तुम मतलब वहीं पे हो ना, you're at home,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it doesn't really matter. But you know for a fact that this particular joke has landed in many halls. And तुम know तालियों की बौछार आई हुई है, मतलब completely. You know this joke as well. But sometimes maybe your timing was not good. Maybe you didn't relate when I say you, I'm talking about myself. My timing was not good. Maybe I did not read the room. There is a high possibility if there are, parents with their kids
Correct.
in the audience.
Yes.
Okay, I'm in a corporate show where there's a boss sitting with his subordinates. Maybe she's interested in laughing, but the boss is next to her. So she wants to keep it low.
Correct.
Because ऐसा हुआ है कि कोई हंसता नहीं है, but they smile.
Yeah.
अंदर ही अंदर यार हंसना तो चाहता हूँ लेकिन कोई बाजू में बैठा है ना, मतलब like if I do a wife joke,
Correct.
husband wants to laugh,
But
If I do a boyfriend
Husbands do
joke,
laugh.
no, but lot of times they can't.
मतलब वहाँ तो हंस देते हैं बहन, लेकिन आगे चल के घर में
घर
पता नहीं
घर
क्या
तो वही
होता है.
जाना
फिर क्लास लेते हैं
हम
अलग से.
एंटिसिपेट करते हैं कि कितना हंसना है कितना नहीं हंसना है.
क्योंकि ये पंच बहुत कॉमन है, भाई घर तो वहीं जाना है.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली
This is like a
एग्जैक्टली.
very common punch in every show, you know, कि भाई घर तो वही
घर
साथ
तो
में ही
उसी को
जाना है,
जाना है ना,
right?
exactly. So I mean, it all comes down to that particular moment, and it's happened multiple times. Your best of the best jokes don't land sometimes. And recently we had a show, the entire club was packed. हम लोग तो आज तो मतलब तोड़ देना है सबने. Everybody bombed.
Oh,
मतलब
is it?
मतलब ये लगा आज हुआ क्या सबको.
तो वही सेकंड की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, जब वो सेकंड आता है कि आपने जो क्रैक कर लिया और रूम पूरी साइलेंट है, तो आप कैसे फिर एकदम से उसको टर्न कैसे
उस
करोगे?
स्टेज को अगर घर बना लिया है ना, so then you can very swiftly move on. Like for example, जब ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, so we understand the night is going down. तो ये हम अपने आप पे ले लेते हैं, and then we become very very humble. कि हाँ भाई तेरा बेस्ट वाला जोक ना हमेशा चलता है, आज नहीं चला, मतलब वो जोक उतना भी खास नहीं है कि हर कोई हंसा है. The idea of making a joke is it should be universal for all ages,
everyone.
all genders, and everybody.
That means you have an element of uncertainty a lot.
Always, always.
How
always,
much ever prepared you are.
Always. Because you never know, na? Maybe I'm talking about marriage, for example.
Correct.
But my audience are from college. They won't relate to it.
Of course.
If I'm talking about college, अब वो तो निकल गए college से example. It all, you need to read the
Yeah.
room and understand who's going to laugh at what. Can I go below the belt? Can I, दो तीन मतलब कुछ बोलूं
Correct.
कि वो अच्छा लगे? Should I? So the easiest way out in a joke is basically to abuse. तुम अगर that's an easy way out. किसी भी joke के बीच में मैंने टैं कुछ डाल दिया, finish.
गया.
Oh, मतलब क्या बोल दिया इसने, ऐसे कैसे, मतलब that's how it is. So but then you gracefully just move to the next joke and do something, and the best thing for an artist, for a stand-up artist is just to basically finish a joke in a high where somebody's laughing. That's been my time. Thank you so much. So many times I've got like 10-15 minutes to do, और कोई हंस नहीं रहा है, 6 मिनट में मैं उतर गया हूँ. Gracefully leave the stage.
So these
Simple.
comedy acts that you do, they come from personal experiences, right?
Yes, they do.
ऐसे
they
में
do.
क्या होता है कि जो आपके loved ones हैं या जिनके बारे में आप jokes क्रैक कर रहे हो, of course your friends, your family, so उनकी privacy को कैसे आप take care करते हो, या you because you know how people are. So,
Okay.
how do you handle that balance, your personal stories with the privacy of your loved ones, or
So एक तो मैं सारी चीज़ अपनी व्यू को पहले बताता हूँ.
अप्रूवल लेते हो मतलब
तो एक शो घर पे हो जाता है मतलब.
she's one of my biggest critic. अगर if she smiles, she laughs, मतलब हॉल
हो
में
गया.
सब पागल होने वाले हैं.
okay.
But when it comes to your question के मतलब whatever,
हाँ.
so I believe every joke whoever does, there's always half fiction and half truth.
correct.
So the fiction part is always very very hilarious. I went there, I went shopping, da. That is true. लेकिन वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, that I must have written down as a fiction. But some people actually go deep down कि ऐसा ही हुआ था and XYZ. उसमें I believe कि सबसे ज़्यादा अगर तुम अपने आप की लोगे ना, तो बाकी रहा मेरा तो कोई शौक नहीं, मेरा तो और कटा है यार, तेरा तो इतना ही बोला था मैंने. तो it's kind of it kind of works for them. Yeah.
So, Imad, comedy can be sometimes very controversial, right? जैसे प्लान किया है वैसे नहीं होगा. तो जब सेंसिटिव टॉपिक्स आते हैं तो आप इसको कैसे हैंडल करते हो? आपका कुछ होगा कि आई विल नॉट टच certain topics.
Yes.
I will not go beyond this particular line of what you must have drawn in your career. So is this also discussed with your wife, or how?
No, this controversy, the only controversy that anybody could think about is politics. Number one.
Yeah.
That is one thing that people will be like, मतलब थोड़ा सा अगर इनके बारे में बोल दिया तो अच्छा ये तो वहाँ का है, थोड़ा सा यहाँ का बोल दिया ये तो अनभक्त है, example, you know what I'm saying? So this is one thing that I kind of refrain from.
Okay.
Even if I do, I have a very beautiful balance between both of them. ये भी अच्छे हैं, ये भी अच्छे हैं. तो हर कोई जो भी मिला है सब खुश है. So it doesn't. That's one thing. When it comes to personal, it's not so controversial unless you want to make it a controversy. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, of course.
And and obviously nobody touches religion here. That's the last thing you want to joke
Yeah,
about.
correct.
That's not even a topic of discussion. You know what I'm saying? Especially
Absolutely.
because jokes and religion cannot go hand in hand. They're two different things altogether.
Respectful.
But the only controversy hota hai is only about politics. And obviously we live in such a beautiful country like UAE.
Yeah,
यहाँ पे तो वैसे भी इनका कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकते. I mean I've lived here all my life. This is the best country in the world I feel.
That's
तो
true.
अगर मैं ढूंढ कर भी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा मैंने इनके बारे में. So that's that. Yeah, yeah.
There's no
Absolutely.
country like UAE.
Oh yeah,
And
this is home and
100% happiness.
yeah.
No doubt
I've
about
been
it.
here 18 years and still,
Yeah.
you know, it feels like...
Same here.
Home, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like
always-
a home
it's
away from home.
home, I
Like
see.
I mean,
17
I find,
years.
yeah, I find best of India here, you know, best of India. Indian khana, Indian, it's like
You name
India.
it, you get it.
Get it, yes.
Yeah. I mean, this culture. The way they have diversified into so many nationalities. Dubai to Delhi लगता है. हाँ, मीना बाजार तो
yes,
बम्बई
correct.
लगता है.
There's a
Come
high
on.
regards and high respect. No
I mean,
doubt
you go to
about it.
Mankul in Diwali. I mean, the lights there. मैं तो आया भी जाता हूँ. पटाखे. I mean, I enjoy. I mean, this place, and I've seen this place from childhood. This has
Correct.
been my home. When I went
You've grown up here.
as I spoke, I went to Bangalore after that. It was kind of difficult for me to adjust there.
Correct.
क्योंकि ये तो दुबई से इसके बाद बहुत पैसे होंगे.
ये एक बहुत misconception
भाई मेरे पास पैसे होते हैं मैं इंडिया आता ही नहीं. जाहिर सी बात है पैसे नहीं इसीलिए यहाँ पे आया हूँ.
Yeah.
That's the idea.
So, चलिए, let's put you on a hot seat and start the rapid fire round.
कितने करोड़ मिल रहे हैं इसके?
वो तो questions के बाद पता चलेगा आंसर कैसे दे रहे हो.
So, funniest person you know who isn't a comedian?
Who's not a comedian?
Yes.
My mother. Oh God.
I see your mom and your wife have really played a good role in you all.
Mom is, wow. 6 पॉडकास्ट निकल जाएंगे मेरी अम्मी के बारे में अगर मैं शुरू किया तो.
नहीं,
Oh
वो
God.
बोलते हैं ना, there's a woman behind every man's success.
yes,
you know, you're the
yes,
living
oh, yes.
example of
So
it, right?
dream when you want to perform at.
Coca-Cola Arena.
Okay.
Have you ever fallen asleep in a class when teacher was teaching?
Ever? Or ask me when have I not slept?
And what happened when you got caught then?
बहुत मारते थे इंडिया में तो मतलब it's very normal. यहाँ पे obviously because
Yeah.
यहाँ पे I loved studying. I moved from CBSE to ICSE.
Yeah.
So it was very difficult for me from 6 subjects to 12 subjects.
12 subjects,
I even failed a year back in 9th. I couldn't understand anything. तो मैं सो जाता था history, geography में आराम से सोता था.
So which
बहुत मार पड़ती थी.
favorite street snack of yours and which place you would like to have that?
In Dubai?
Anywhere. Which is your favorite snack? India, Dubai, कुछ भी चले.
Oh, the waffles in Amsterdam.
Okay.
Oh yes.
So, who are the 3 people that you would give credit to your comedian journey right now?
Obviously, my siblings. They're not. I have 3 siblings. All of them. Okay. My parents have always supported me to be funny, and they've always laughed. Anybody who laughs at you, obviously, are your fans as such. And my wife. 3 of them, definitely. Yeah.
So
1 minute, sorry. People-
नहीं आएगा वो कैमरा में.
नहीं, लेकिन मुझे चाहिए ना पढ़ने के लिए.
मैं जाने वाला था बड़ा वाला क्वेश्चन मतलब वो चल रहा है वो exactly.
So when you were a kid, what you wanted to be? I'm sure it was not comedian. It was not planned. तो क्या बनना चाहते थे आप?
नहीं, as every kid wants to become a pilot यार in life.
तो आपको भी पायलट
और
बनना था?
इंजीनियर पायलट इंजीनियर फिर
चश्मा
पता
कब
चला
लगा?
चश्मा अभी भी लगाया
हाँ, तभी ठीक है.
नहीं अभी फिर उसके बाद पता चलता है ना साइंस की जरूरत है उसके लिए
Yes.
और पढ़ने की जरूरत है
हाँ,
किसको
सबसे पहले.
I mean seriously so yeah pilot or maybe an engineer yeah that's that.
Okay.
So, if you get a chance to time travel, past में जाओगे या future में?
पास में जाऊंगा
मैं भी.
For sure,
वापस
पास में
स्कूल
जाऊंगा.
जाके सोना है आपको?
वापस स्कूल जाने का I mean school में none of us were interested in being there.
Yeah.
After so many years you want to go back there no?
But the pranks we could play was amazing, you know, that time.
Of course. You want to live in that moment. So many things that you could have done. उसको ये बोलना था पता है उसने जब मुझे ऐसे बोला था. You know?
So if different fruits could talk, which would be the funniest sound you think as a comedian?
Oh my God. मेरे दिमाग में fruit का नाम आया but I can't say that right now. Funniest sound of a fruit. I don't know. I mean, oranges maybe. Yeah.
And what is the biggest complaint that you have about your job?
My job. मेरी जॉब की कोई कंप्लेन नहीं है टारगेट्स बढ़ते जाते हैं that's the only complaint maybe I have but it's a good thing that where I work right now it gives me a very good balance to actually work and at the same time follow my dream as well they're very supportive that ways so yeah that's
So
amazing
Imad, tell us a joke.
oh
Yes.
ये बनता है.
हर कहाँ पर भी पहुंचते हैं ना हाँ भाई सही जा रहा है तेरा अच्छा जोक सुना ना
वही तो कर रहे हैं आज
And you
हम,
know
एक
what?
जोक सुना.
And you know what? It's like कोई भी हो ना, there would be anybody in the world, they would always be in that fix. अरे अभी क्या बोले? Like ऐसे तो बहुत सारे jokes पढ़े लेकिन अभी याद कुछ नहीं आते.
Yeah.
But again, coming back, tell us a joke.
I recently wrote this one joke where a few friends of mine were like, it's almost more than 2.5 years that you've been doing comedy. But यार दुबई में ज़्यादा लोग जानते ही नहीं है तुझे, मतलब मैं जब बोलता हूँ इमाद मेरा दोस्त है, लोग कौन इमाद पूछते हैं. तो यार let's make you famous यार, let's put a video of yours on YouTube ऐसा कुछ. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है. तो I record most of my shows. तो मैंने best of my video I took and I color corrected it. You know हम Indian है ना, तो थोड़ा सा गोरा बना दिया अपने आप को.
Fair and
Fair and lovely, fair and handsome. उनका भी endorsement हो गया मसाफी के साथ साथ. So I was like, you know what, let's put. तो मैंने कलर करेक्ट किया, सब टाइटल्स डाले, सब कुछ डालिए 60 seconds के अंदर. मतलब वायरलिटी मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल तोड़ होने वाला है. एंड इट्स बीन अबाउट 2 weeks since I've uploaded it. 8 लोगों ने देखा है. नहीं, दुख इस बात का नहीं है कि 8 लोगों ने देखा है. मेरे फैमिली व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में 25 लोग हैं. ये जिंदगी जी रहे हैं. दो दे सपोर्ट भी, बट यार ये तो देख लिया है बहुत बार. ये कितना ही करेंगे, कितना
तो घर का ही है.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
नहीं, हमारा क्वेश्चन एक होना चाहिए था, इमा टेल अस द ट्रूथ.
टू लेट.
बट ये जोक से भी बढ़ के था.
So thank you so much,
Thank
Ima,
you.
for making this a laugh riot and
you so
for
much.
joining us and sharing your journey with our viewers. Today we've laughed, we've learned, and we've been inspired by your humor and authenticity.
Thank you so much.
As always, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with friends. Guys, please view his episodes
Please.
and us too.
करो, मुझे वायरल बनना है लाइफ में. आप ही, तुम ही हो तो सहारा, तुम ही सहारा, जो भी बोलते हैं. Thank you.
Thank you, Emma.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You guys are doing an amazing fab job. You guys made me feel so comfortable. Thank you so much for having me once
Thank
again.
you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.